Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Seb Mars. Today I'm doing a custom thumbnail with a free software on the internet named Canva. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's go to canva.com. I just created my account. Let's look if we can see YouTube thumbnail. Let's start with a blank Canva. I'll try to do my best. This is my thumbnail done in Illustrator, but you won't be able to do that if you don't have Illustrator. I'll try to do the same thumbnail but with Canva. So let's go see if they have good quality font. First of all, let's do a background black. No, that's not it. Let's go back to white. Elements. I like to keep a border around my thumbnails to make it punchy and easier to see in black format. Now, where is the colors? Shape. Oh, right here. Let's make it black. Now let's go to the fonts. Let's see if they have Iron Strike. Okay. So let's add the heading. How to. Let's make the text bigger. Into 20. Like this. How to. Let's align it. Let's align like this. Is there any line height? Let's bring it closer like this. Let's make it bigger. Then let's make it italic. How to. Photos. Let's see if we can import a picture of mine. Photos. Let's export this photo over here. Let's go to export selection. Let's go to how to. No. Let's go to image, PNG, choose and export. Okay, now let's import it into Canva. Let me find it. import, apps integration. Let's go to template, uploads. Okay, here, image, upload image, device. Let's go to desktop. No, Rocket Nano, YouTube here, images, go to PNG, and it's right here. Okay, it's cut, but it looks awful. Let me see if I can do a elements. You're limited with an outline. You can't do outlines like most some of the channels, big channels, do outline around their image and a background like let's say Gary Vee does. So you're limited that way. So you're limited that way. All right. Let me see. Crop, flip, filter, effect. Effect, maybe an effect. Background remover. Oh, that's cool. Background remover. No, you have to be pro plan to be able to do that. So basically you're gonna have to use the pro plan to do what I want to do, what I did with the Illustrator. Let's make this bigger if we can. No, we can't. No, Wester is pretty good. Italic, you can't italicize it. Oswald. No, can't italic. Alright, this is pretty cool. Alright, so now let's say we're finished. Let's go to download. And PNG is suggested. Download. Alright guys, so I downloaded it. If you want to check it out, just go here, open. There you have it. That was easy. So if you want more, thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.